Pick at the Crossing is a film by Khyentse Norbu which is to be streamed online on 11th of May. You have to purchase the tickets online and watch according to your time zones. As Rinpoche puts it, how can you expect to watch that has been totally rejected by the film industry for free? Sorry, but you have to pay. In this video, we'll be breaking down the trailer part by part. At the start of the trailer, the main character is seen following a mysterious person. I've seen the synopsis of the movie where it says character enters into the bardo, the intermediate state. This scene must be immediately after his death where he's totally lost only to find a mysterious person whom he can follow. The next scene we see a group of people waiting to go somewhere. Probably they are in the intermediate state. This reminded me of a scene from The Matrix where Neo is trying to escape the subway station, but it's all in our karma which will decide how and where we'll go from the subway station. In this scene, the main character is seen watching at a woman in a kimono dress. The woman is likely to be the one which he has affair with according to the synopsis. The next scene, the mysterious man looks like he's trying to ask the main character to come to his senses, after which we see the protagonist saying he feels like he has taken DMT. Dimethyltryptamine is a very strong psychedelic which can cause someone to hallucinate seeing or hearing things that do not exist. Maybe that's why suddenly a European woman pops out in the screen indicating that.
Have you ever seen a chicken's head being cut off? Afterwards, it will still run around for a while. That's pretty much what's happening now.
We have come across the term headless chicken many times. It refers to the people running around aimlessly, chaotically, without any focus. Maybe in the intermediate stage, the character must be doing the same. Here we come to know that the woman which he has affair with, her name is Diki and he got her pregnant. The man in the scene must be some relative of the women and is played by Seongdenu, who was the main character in Rinpoche's previous movie, Travelers and Magician. Here we see Diki probably at the door of main character's house giving him a gift which looks like a cactus. Probably meaning, just like the thorns in that cactus, he's going to get suffering in his life.
तू ऐकू शकतोस चव कसली तुझ्या कानाने किंवा बघू शकतोस चव डोळ्यांनी सुद्धा.
This quote can be confusing in our daily lives, but it makes sense when you're in the bardo state because it has no eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or body, just the mind. Finally, the name of the movie Pig at the Crossing comes from teachings of Buddha where pig represents one of the poisons, ignorance, which brings suffering in our being, and with that ignorance we enter the bardo state, clueless like a headless chicken.
Don't ask too many questions.